Hello, are you ready to transform chaos into clarity? Imagine turning hours of work into just a minute with Microsoft Excel. From simplifying data of creating a stunning insight, Excel is not just a tool, it's your gateway to smarter, faster productivity. Let's unlock power of Excel and take your Excel into the next level. Ready to start with Hack Academy. Discuss about an Excel important function whose name is create and format your table. For your data analysis problem solve, you can do it. Let's start. Here you see that some data. This is employee ID, designation, department, group, number, and attendance date. This is actually should be date format. You see that here is date format, and this tutorial explains the essential of table format and show how to make the table in Excel and leverage its powerful feature. Okay, and at the surface, an Excel table just sounds like a way to organize data. In truth, this generic name covers a ton of useful features. Table containing hundreds or even thousands of rows and columns can be instantly recalculated and total, sorted, filter, update with new information, and reformatted, summarize the table with export. Okay, now we try to customize this data. Here is you see that this raw data, and first of all we try how to create a table. First of all, you select this data and we go to here. You see that various pop-up and various option. Okay, now we go to here format as table. We try to make this data convert on table, and here you click, and here you see that if you wanted to add this top bar, and you can click here, otherwise you cannot click here. Okay, let's try with this, and here click, and okay, and here you see that this format are convert into table format. Okay, and here you see that various option as your choice. Okay, if you wanted to show the filter button, and you can click here, and if you wanted to see the total row, and you can click here. Here you see that the total row. Okay, and if you wanted to color the last column, here you see that this is a special color, and this is branded color. Okay, and this is various types of table design, and here you see that various color, and you can choose any color as your preference. Here you see that various color are available. Okay, and you also change this table style from here. Here is format color, and this is font color, and here is also table color. Okay, various color are available here, and this table format, and you see that the table name, this is table name 1, and you can customize or change this table name, such as Mr. Y table. This table name is Mr. Y. Okay, and you can filter or summarize your data as your preference. Suppose here you see that employee ID and designation, you can choose anyone, and anyone designated you can choose. Okay, here now we try to click here. Here you see that this is filter option, and if you wanted to choose only for manager, or wanted to only for manager. Okay, and here you see that only one manager are available here. If you wanted to select only assistant operator, okay, here you see that assistant operator are 7. Okay, and if you wanted to sum any value, and you can use here, you see that non, average, count, and count number, max, etc. Okay, and you hear the sum, this value or sum value, and also you can hear sum, this value or sum value, and you can also click here for average, you can count average, and if you wanted to average, and if you wanted to find out the max, okay, here you see that max or find out this value or max, and you can also find out the max value from here. And now we filter out. Okay, if you wanted to filter out this, and you can click here clear filter. Okay, clear filter, it's open. And if you wanted to change, or if you wanted to maintain serial on alphabetic number, and you can click here, you see that A to Z, Z to A. Okay, now we try to do it A to Z. Here you see that alphabetically its serial are maintained, and SSA, J, O, S. Okay, and you can also do it here. Okay, this is the lower number are up, and higher number are down. Okay, and you also do it here. Okay, this is filter sorting system, this is called filter sorting system. And here you see that also you can use formula, here is, and sum. Okay, and this number. Okay, here you see that it's make sum. Okay, these two data are sum, and you also remove this data from. Hope that you understand very well about how to table format, and how to create this format table, and how to summarize your data, and how to filter your data. Okay, and today's all about of create table in Excel, and how to organize your data, and how to summarize your data. Thank you all. Stay tuned with Hawk Academy.